I welcome you all to my channel. In case you're seeing me for the first time, I am Priska. Okay, the channel name is Powers in the Nature. Now, I want to teach you how you can make peace with your chi. In case for those who are not from Nigeria or Igbo, chi means your guardian angel. If you're not in good terms with your guardian angel, your chi, things will not work out for you. So many people will say that, how will I know that I'm not in good terms with my chi or my guardian angel? Fine. You can only know that you're not in good terms with your guardian angel is like in YouTube. YouTube is all about DIY. You've been bumbling from one channel to another. They will ask you to use coconut, use this, use that, to do this praise, bath, and all that. There are so many things, natural stuff you can use, and you before your very eyes, many people be giving testimony. You see, I did this and it worked for me. I did this, I cashed out, I did that, it is like this. Things are turning positively, things are changing positively for me. Why you? No matter what you do, nothing will come out. In fact, it looks as if maybe you are lying, or it looks as if you don't know what you are doing. No, not that you don't know what you are doing. The truth, the bottom line is you are not in good terms with your chi. And remember, whatever you do, if you're in good terms with your guardian angel, even though it is water, take ordinary water in a glass of cup, speak to it, you will see wonders working out for you. But as long as you're not in good terms, because it is your chi, your guiding angel will go and fetch those things for you. Those things you prayed for, your guiding angel will go and deliver them and get you the goodwill, the good results, the positive change you've always prayed for. That good luck, that prosperity, maybe you are a business person. When you do one or two things expected to do, others are doing it. Okay, let me go and try my own. It is your guiding angel, the one God Almighty assigned to you, that follows you anywhere you are, will go and get that good luck to you, will go and bring customers to connect to. It is also your guiding angel will go and advertise you. Even your enemies will begin to advertise you, think that they are the one. Is your chi will speak through them. People will begin to recommend you if you're in good terms with your chi, your guiding angel. But as long as you're not in good terms, see, even though you're not in good terms with your guiding angel, the one, see, there are so many guiding angel that is dormant, while some are active. If your guiding angel is very, very active, your guiding angel will never allow any harm before you. When somebody wants to strike you, your guiding angel will go and strike back without you knowing. But the limit is you will not see breakthrough. That light will be dimming. What others doing and seeing results, when you do your own, you will not get results. That is the difference. While some people's guidance angel is dormant, is not even active. Some people will come and do them bad thing, it will work. But when you activate your guiding angel, no, if any man, any woman thinks evil against you, your guiding angel will go and strike without you knowing. That's the way it works. So in this video, if you're watching till this extent, please, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, please. Help me to get to 1,000 so that I can be able to monetize. Fine. And if you find value to this video, please like, share, because when you begin to like, the algorithm of YouTube will moving the video. So now, how you will make peace with your guidance angel? You need native egg. This is native egg. I don't know how you're gonna do it. In case where you are, you don't have native egg, there's no means for you to get native egg. You can get agric egg. Are you getting me? So egg is, a human being doesn't lay egg. It's only fowl that lays egg. Now get native egg. Another thing you're going to get from me is red oil, palm oil. I'm going to show you the secret on how you can make peace with your guardian angel or your chi. You're going to need local egg. This is native egg. In case the location you are, you have no opportunity of getting a local egg, you can use agric egg, because egg is egg. Human being doesn't lay egg. It's only fowl that lays egg. Another thing you're going to use for this ritual is red oil. We call it palm oil. Oil from palm tree. Are you getting it? Palm oil is everywhere in the world. So get these two. How are you going to do it? You pour small palm oil in a bowl, in a small bowl, then hold your egg like this. Take palm oil in your hand, in your palms like this, begin to rub it. Now call your name. I am Priska, okay, from so so place. Call your village name, call your your originality. Go down to your roots. You didn't come from sky. Somebody is your father, your grandfather, and the rest. Say, I am a daughter of so so person in so so village. Now call your name. Calm down, calm yourself down. Feel the presence of your chi, because your chi is everywhere with you. Anywhere you go, your guidance angel is always with you. Now calm your, do as if you feel the remorse. Be remorseful for turning your back at your guiding angel. Now call your name, say, my chi, anywhere you are, come down now. I am pleading with you in any form, in any pattern. I've wronged you. I am deeply sorry. As you're speaking all this, keep rubbing the egg with the palm oil. Say that this egg, I'm exchanging my life with this egg. You will now touch the egg all over your body. Because if you're turning your back at your guardian angel, they will be inflicting pains. They'll be inflicting pains, difficulties. You speak to your chi with wholeheartedly. You say that this egg, you're using it as an exchange of your life. In any form, every affliction that your chi have caused you, every bad luck, every limitation, that as you are touch this egg all over your body, let all the whole curses infuse inside this egg. Now, when you are done, speak your mind. Don't be in a hurry. Don't rush it. Speak your mind. Pour out your heart. Are you getting me? Now, when you done speaking, denouncing everything, you know that egg doesn't go a strong journey. Anytime you're having egg, you'll be pampering egg. You see that today you are like egg, that you will not go anything difficult, nothing difficult to come your way, no hindrance will come your way. When you are going, you will not hit your leg on the stone, because you are like an egg. When egg hits little hard stuff, it will break. So speak your mind. When you are done speaking, then you say that today you have remedied whatever thing that have come in between you and your chi. Today, you and your chi are now one. That there's nothing will separate you people. You will never turn your back at your chi again, and your chi will not turn his or her back at you. Are you getting it? When you are done rubbing the oil, speaking every down thing, take the egg, go outside your house, outside your environment, smash it, make sure it's smashed. Remember, you pour the red oil in a very small container. Go along with it when you want to smash it. Break it, break the egg on the floor outside your home. Then take that red oil, pour on that smashed egg. Throw the container away. Turn back, don't look back. Turn back, come back to your house. When you come back to your house, wash your hand with salt. Any kind of salt, local salt, sea salt, salt is salt. Let it not that, don't use prepare sachet salt. No, use local salt, sea salt, local salt, rock salt, any kind of salt you can get. Use it to wash your hand and sleep. You see, you have a dream. Your chi will reveal things for you to confirm that you are now in good terms with your chi.